welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to do a nightly vlog, how my nights look after a full day at my corporate job. I honestly had a very stressful day and I just wanted to do something that would make me smile and just like kind of de-stress from my day. So I decided to pull out my vlog camera and vlog. The first thing I think I want to do is make some dinner because I am absolutely starving and I did not eat all day yet because I was just very stressed and I just need like a nice relaxing night. I wouldn't say that this is my every single day night routine because it's not, but it is going to just be a night in my life, but a more relaxed and fun one, if that makes sense. I do have something really fun that I'm going to tonight. It's called a paint and sip and we're going to celebrate my friend Madison's birthday, so that is going to be really fun. I went recently with my friend Ariella, and if you didn't watch that vlog, definitely go watch it. I'll link it down below, but we painted this like heart painting and it actually turned out really good. I'll insert a picture on the screen and I actually have it on my wall right here. That one right there, if you guys can see, and I really do love it. So I'm very excited. Tonight we're actually going to a different one because they have a lot of different locations. It's called Pino's Palette and I am just so excited and I think it's gonna be really fun. And that is at 6:30 and it's only 4:30 right now, so we have some time to kind of like unwind and get in a good mood and stuff like that. We're painting this girl in a dress tonight and it should be very, very fun. So first thing I'm going to do is make some dinner. So I quickly realized that I had no food in my fridge, so I'm just eating some leftover penne pasta with vodka sauce, and this is gonna have to be dinner because I have to go food shopping. But also I just wanted to show you guys how well my Target flowers bloomed. I feel like they look so good and I'm so happy. I came into my apartment and I was like, wow, like they're so open. They actually lasted for almost a little over a week now and I am so happy. But I'm going to eat this. It tastes a lot better than it looks. Also, I don't know if it's just me, but I love watching a show and lighting a candle while I eat. It just keeps me distracted and I really enjoy it. Most of the times I'll watch YouTube, but today I'm going to watch The Bachelor because Monday night was hometowns and I am so excited to see this hometown. I have seen so many spoilers and I'm really upset with the outcome. It's okay, we're gonna watch it anyway because I've been waiting to and I'm really excited. Anybody else's straw when they put the straw in a soda, because mine like always overflows like that and I don't understand why. I have a little time before the painting class and I am going to do some editing. After a long day of work, I like to do something that makes me really happy and kind of just incorporate good hobbies into my nightly routine and like daily routine, and some of those things include journaling, editing, going to the gym, and doing something fun, which today would be the painting class. Even though this isn't necessarily a night routine, it's like kind of a routine but not really. It's more of a relaxed video like I said, but also like there's still some of my daily night routines that are going to be within this video. And honestly, editing and doing something that I love is something that is included in my routine, so I'm gonna do that for a little bit. My bed is literally unmade. Some days I do not stick to a routine and it's okay. I don't necessarily love it for myself because I do better when I am in a routine, but to be real, today just wasn't one of those days, and here is your sign that it happens to all of us and that it is okay. Let's do some editing. I wanted to tell you guys that I finally put my vision board up and I think it looks so cute and I'm so excited. Also, I just realized my friend left me this little note. Thank you, Madison. And it says that you won't find me. I found it, so haha. I'm currently filming on my Canon G7X, which I haven't done in so long because it's broken. I'll show you guys in a minute when I get my other camera, but my other camera's battery literally just dies every 2 seconds, so I am having to go back and forth. But this camera doesn't work at all. I'm literally holding the viewfinder together, and I would just buy a new Canon G7X, but they're sold out everywhere and I can't find one, and I'm really upset because I love this camera, and I just wanted to tell you guys that because I'm getting so frustrated and I either have to buy a new battery for my other camera, or I don't know. I love my other camera, but it's just hard to vlog with when I'm like going out places because it's bigger, and I would love to just have my handheld camera, but it's broken. So I definitely need to go to the camera store and see if they can fix it because hopefully they can. That was my little camera rant for today. So this is the camera. It looks fine until you turn it this way. This viewfinder just literally is like ripped off the camera. If you guys can see, like it's not supposed to do that obviously. And that's not even the worst part. So when I'm filming, I have to literally hold it together like this in order to film. And then when I turn it on, it turns on, but like it'll record like for a few seconds and then it'll either stop recording and delete the clip, or it says busy like that for a very long time, and it is not convenient, and you literally can't do anything when it says busy and it takes a while to go away, and I can't even shut it off until it clears. So definitely need to get that fixed, and I don't even know how this happened. I think it just unscrewed, but that's not even the worst part. I don't even know if it's saving my actual clips from this camera. So that is definitely on my agenda to do this weekend because it's been like this for so long and I really just need this camera back. So that is the plan for that. I now am going to get ready. I have on this little fit, which honestly I think is fine because it's not like a fancy place. So I'm wearing this little oversized waffle crew neck from American Eagle and then just some Aerie leggings, and I think I'm going to wear my Air Forces with it. I'm just gonna take down my hair though just so I look a little more dressed up and put some more makeup on and stuff like that. I said let's get ready and then I did everything except get ready, but I'm now going to get ready. I'm really not doing anything much. I'm just going to put some lip gloss on because I don't like when my lips look chapped, and if I'm being honest, they are literally always chapped. It's actually really annoying. And then the only other thing I want to do is touch up my mascara because I feel like it doesn't look the best. This is the Telescopic Lift by L'Oreal and I love it. However, the one thing I don't like about it, this may seem weird to say, but like when I put it on, for some reason, it just like hurts my eyelashes unless I go very, very slowly, and I don't understand why. Honestly, my face is looking really greasy. I probably should wash it, but if I'm being honest, I don't feel like doing that right now. I don't know, I feel like I just look greasy right now. Like I feel like my face is really greasy. Maybe I should take it off. No, because it's raining and I don't feel like taking it off just to get my face wet in the rain. So makeup is done. I have to bring my friend a headband. I got these really cute headbands from Amazon. I'm obsessed with them. Look at how cute. They're linked on my Amazon storefront, but look at how cute these are. I'm like obsessed with them, and I'm going to give her one to try and see if she likes it. Honestly, my favorite ones are these three. They're just like so coquette and girly. I love them. I think I'm gonna give her this one to try and see if she likes it. Now, little hair perfume moment. I think I'm pretty much done. I might take my hair out. I'm not sure. I am quickly going to go clean my apartment. I should be leaving, but ever since I did my spring cleaning vlog, which was like a week ago, I think, I have just been so motivated to try and keep my apartment clean. Well, everything except my closet and this little mess right here that is still my Christmas stuff that I need help bringing to my parents' house because there's no storage here. So ignore this. It's all nicely stored. I just have nowhere to put it. So that's why that's there. But other than that, I honestly have been doing a pretty good job at keeping it clean. And that's kind of why I get into these moments where I'm like, I'm gonna get ready. And then I see there's a mess and I'm like, no, I'm gonna clean first. So I'm gonna quickly do a quick little clean and also throw in a load of laundry because my laundry is overflowing. Let's fix that. And then we are going to go to Madison's house. Just got home from painting. It was so fun. I had such a fun time. I wouldn't say I'm a good painter, but that's okay because it was so fun and it's about having a good time, and I had a very good time with my friends. And also something that was so funny was I went to the class, and the girl who was teaching the class is someone I was good friends with in high school. She's so sweet. It was so nice to see her. So it was just like a very fun, wholesome night. Now I'm gonna take a shower and get ready for bed. I'm exhausted. It is 10:30, so I'm just going to kind of unwind now and get ready for bed. I just took a shower and I feel very refreshed and happy. I'm gonna wait for my hair to dry a little bit and then we're gonna do some heatless curls. In the meantime, I think I'm going to do some journaling. As you guys know, I love journaling, and I think I'm in the mood to listen to a nice meditation and do some manifestation and journaling. gonna be so real with you guys. I full on fell asleep editing and it is 3 a.m. right now. So no heatless curls, that's just not gonna work. So I'm just gonna put my hair in a little thing. Personally, I really do not like going to bed without taking off my makeup. It really annoys me. So even though I took a shower, I still like to wash my face and put this cleanser on. So that's what I'm gonna do really quick. And then we're going to go to bed because I am so tired and my eyes are like closing. Another thing about this camera that's like really weird is when I put the camera too close to something, it has like a sensor, and for some reason that sensor will make my camera not show me my viewfinder unless the sensor like isn't activated. And I don't even know if what I'm saying actually makes sense because I don't really know if that's actually what's happening. That's just my conclusion from it, because when I pull it away from whatever's behind it, it works. So it's like really weird. So that's why that camera change kind of just happened. But I feel like today has been a very relaxing day, but also a out of routine day. I try my best not to wake up at 3 a.m. and have this happen, but you know what, to be real, sometimes it does happen and it's okay, it happens. I'm putting my hair in a bun because personally I am not the biggest fan of sleeping with my hair down. I don't like when my hair sticks to my face because of the gel that I just put on, but I'm gonna go back to sleep because I'm so tired and hopefully have this video up soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I'm so sorry that some of the clips in this video were blurry. I did not realize that my camera was on the wrong setting. That won't happen again. I was so mad when I was editing this. This video is actually a lot longer and I couldn't even use half the clips that were in it because it was too blurry and I was making myself mad. But I need to post a video and hopefully I like the way I can edit this video. With that being said, if you stayed up until this point, thank you so much. Comment a yellow heart emoji or your favorite emoji down below, and I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.